Hello everybody, my name is Miriam and I'm a teacher for Impelo. Before we get started on the class, there are just a couple of safety things that I'd like to say. So first off, we need to think about the space that we are dancing in, because we're not in a lovely big hall like we are usually. So let's stand up. Can you make sure that you've got plenty of space in front of you? So stretch your arms in front of you, making sure you're not going to bump into anything. Have you got enough space at the sides of you? So if you stretch your arms and legs out, making sure you're not going to bump into anything. And finally, have you got enough space behind you? So stretching your arms out behind you, making sure you're not going to bump into anything. Good. The next thing I just wanted to say is what we have on our feet. So if you have a slippy floor, it's not a good idea to be wearing socks. So we need to be bare feet or wearing trainers. And lastly, you can stop this video at any point and take a drink break. Okay? We're going to start with some marching with nice high knees. Let's march around in a circle. And there's going to be a break. Can you make your marching fast? And freeze. Good. And fast. And freeze. Good. Deep breath in. And out. In. And last time. And let's dive forwards, putting our bottoms in the air and giving them a bit of a wiggle. Good. Coming and sitting down on our bottoms, reaching out towards the ceiling. We're going to scoop some ice cream into our mouths. And again. Good. Making yourself really small and really big. Let's touch our love toes. Opposites. Coming into a balance on your bottom. Well done. Spinning on the bottoms. And let's spin the other way. Good. Coming and standing up. Let's stretch for some chocolate. And let's stretch the other side. Can you stretch medium for your chocolate? The other side. And stretch low. And low. Good. And let's stretch for our chocolate all over. Good. Bring your feet in and bouncing. And let's do some little jumps. And bouncing. And jumping. And big breath in. And out. Well done everybody. I think we're warmed up. So I'm going to teach you a dance now. And it's all about being sneaky, being spies. And we're going to do lots of looking around, seeing if there's anything suspicious. So let's stand up and find a space where we can dance safely. Brilliant. We start our dance like this, with our finger over our lips. Good. And we're going to look up high. We're going to look medium. We're going to look low down. And we're going to come up to standing. Brilliant. From here, we're going to do 4 little jumps from side to side, looking around us. So we're going to jump 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Here, we're going to imagine we're tapping an imaginary person on the shoulder. They turn around and it's someone we're meant to be hiding for. So we go, oh, and we've got to run all the way back to where we started. Okay, shall we try that with some music? Okay. Let's look high, medium, low, and standing. 4 little jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap them on the shoulder and run away. Good. Brilliant. So from here, we are going to go from side to side. So we're going to step out to the side. We're going to cross our foot and our arm across us. Then we're going to go the other way. We step out and we cross in. From here we're going to do a slow, sneaky turn. When we get back to the front, we are going to explode and come down into a small shape on the floor. So let's try that again. We go to our right, sneaky, and the other side. We've got our sneaky turn and we explode and down. Let's try all of that from the beginning with music. Can you remember how it starts? Looking up high, medium, low and standing. 4 little jumps. 2, 3, 4. Tap them on the shoulder and run away. Good. Right. Cross, cross, cross. And turn. Explode. Good. Brilliant. Did you do a nice big exploding jump? I hope so. Next time, see if you can do it even bigger and make an even smaller shape when you land. Now, what we're going to do now is we are going to be balancing on a tightrope, and it's very high, so we've got to be really careful not to fall off that tightrope. We're putting one foot in front of the other. And we're going to balance on one foot, so you can balance with your foot in front of you, behind you, to the side, anywhere you want to balance. Good, so we've run away and we're here. We're going to walk on our tightrope. We're going to balance. Good, from here we're going to walk backwards and we're going to wiggle our way backwards. Good, and we're going to wiggle slowly from side to side. So we go to our right and then we'll wiggle left. Finally we're going to do a big circle of our arms. And we're going to do a pose. So you can do whatever pose you like, a pose you think that a really cool spy would do. So you might be in a medium pose, you might do a pose down low. You could do whatever pose you like. Let's try from the beginning all the way up to our end pose with some music. High, medium, low and standing. We jump 1, 2, 3, 4, tap and run away. Good, we go to the side, cross, turn and explode. Good, tightrope walking. Whoa. Balancing. Good. We're going to wiggle backwards and side, windmill arms and pose. Let's try that one more time with music. See if you can be even sneakier. And when you do your big explosion jump or your pose at the end, see if you can make that even bigger. Okay? High, medium, low and standing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap them on the shoulder and run away. Good. Side, cross, turn and explode. Tightrope walking. Oh, and balancing. Good. We're going to wiggle backwards. Side, windmill arms and a pose. Brilliant, everybody. Well done. It's nearly the end of our dance class now. We've just got to cool down to help us feel calm and to look after our bodies. So let's find a nice big wide shape. We take a big breath in, reaching up towards the ceiling and breathing out. Good, and again. And out. And in again. And out. We're going to walk forwards. We're going to put our bottoms in the air and give them a bit of a slow motion wiggle. Good. Let's walk onto our hands and knees. Can you make your back arch like an angry cat? Great. Can you make it hollow? Good. Let's go back to our angry cat. Great. And back to our arch. Fantastic. And we're going to come and sit down on our bottoms. So we are going to do our pizza massage now. Usually in my class we would do this with a partner in front of us, but you might not have a partner today, and we can do it to ourselves. So we're going to start by kneading the dough. So we can knead the dough on our legs, especially the nice squishy parts of our legs. We can even knead the dough on our feet. All the way back up that leg. Knead, 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 knead. It doesn't work so well on our tummies, but we can knead our backs. We can definitely knead our shoulders all the way down one arm. Knead, knead, knead. Good. Now we've got to spread out the dough and put on the tomato sauce, so we can do nice, smooth spreading of our sauce and our dough. Do that on our tummies, on our backs, down our arms, even on our faces and in our hair. Be a bit messy with tomato sauce though, wouldn't it? Good, now it's time for our toppings. So, what toppings could we put on? We can do our nice light fish, putting our toppings on. I think I'm going to put on some pepperoni, maybe some mushrooms, some pepper, on my back, on my chest, all the way along one arm. Got a lot of toppings on this pizza, haven't I? Very lightly on my face and on my neck. Good, now it's time to sprinkle on our cheese onto our pizza, so we can sprinkle it all the way down our arms. Yeah, we can sprinkle it on our chest, on our tummy, all the way down our legs. I hope you're not too ticklish. I think our pizza is ready to go in the oven, and we are going to heat it up using our breath. So we're going to take a big breath in and we'll breathe out. Good, I think it's getting warmer. Let's try that again. Breathe in and out. Good, and we can help our pizza warm up by rubbing it. Rub, 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 rub. Okay, we can rub our tummies. This is definitely getting warm. Rubbing, 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 rubbing. Brilliant. Our pizza is cooked, but we've got to chop it up. So we can do nice and gentle chopping. This feels really good on the top of our legs. Chop, 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 chop. We can do it on the back of our bottom of the legs, not top where it's all bony. This is nice though. We can do it on our backs. We can do it on our shoulders. We could maybe do it down an arm. Have a go and see what feels good for you. Now it is time to eat our pizza. After 3, we are going to eat it up. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's try that one more time. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that was yummy, wasn't it? All we've got to do now is tidy up and clean the surfaces so we can wash our surfaces clean, make them nice and clean again. It's what we always do after cooking and eating, isn't it? Brushing, cleaning, you, but eating all that pizza has made me feel quite sleepy. Let's see if we can come into a very small ball on our side. See how small you can make yourself. You squeeze all your muscles, squeeze your toes, squeeze your fingers, squeeze your face. Good, and let's stretch out on our backs in a nice big starfish. Good, and let's try that one more time. So we're going to squeeze in even smaller this time. Squeeze everything really small. Good, and let's stretch out in our nice starfish shape. Making sure you feel really comfortable here. Good. I'm going to count down from 10, and I'd like you to see how still and how quiet you can lie here. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done, everybody. Let's start to wake up again. Can you wiggle your toes? Yeah, can you wiggle your fingers? Let's have a big yawn. Good, and let's come up very nice and slowly to sitting, and we can have a big yawn here as well. Very good. Well done, everybody. That is the end of our class today, so let's give ourselves a big round of applause. Well done, everybody. Bye.